So in this video lecture we will start chemistry chapter chemical kinetics for class 12th. This is our first video of chemistry in which I will give the introduction plus defining some term, and after that we will do some numerical questions based on covered part. So buddies, please stay tuned and watch my video till end. Let's get started. First of all, we will learn the term chemical kinetics. So, it is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rate of chemical reaction. This is called chemical kinetics. Now we have rate of a reaction. Rate of a reaction is defined as change in concentration of any reactant or any product which occur per unit time. Next one is average rate. Average rate is the reaction measured over a long time interval. Now we have rate constant. It is the rate of reaction when molar concentration of each reacting species is 1. It is also called specific reaction rate or velocity constant. Next is molecularity. It means the number of reacting particles which must collide simultaneously. So this is the definition of molecularity. Now we have zero order reaction. It is defined as it is that whose rate is independent of the concentration of reactant. Now we have integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction, that is K is equal to 1 by T A epsilon naught minus A T bracket close. This is integrated rate law of equation for zero order reaction. Now for first order reaction. So K is equal to 2.303 upon T into log A naught minus log A power T. And for second order reaction is K is equal to 1 by T 1 by A minus 1 by A epsilon naught. What is elementary reaction? The reaction which is completed in only one step. This is called elementary reaction. Now we have to know unit of rate constant. What is the unit of rate constant? So mole liter inverse 1 minus n second inverse. This is the unit of rate constant. Mole liter inverse 1 minus n into s to the power minus. Now is activation energy. So minimum energy required for a reaction to occur is called activation energy. Now we have to learn very important term, that is Arrhenius equation. K is equal to A e to the power E minus A by RT. In A is minus e to the power A by RT. Converting the common logarithm. So log k, put log k both side, minus EA to the power 2.303 RT. This is Arrhenius equation. Define catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which can influence the rate of chemical reaction but which itself is not consumed and remain unchanged, is known as catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which can influence the rate of chemical reaction but which itself is not consumed and remain unchanged in the reaction. Okay, according to collision theory, the rate constant is given by K is equal to P Z E to the power E minus A by RT, where Z is any constant and P is steric factor. What do you mean by steric factor? The fraction of collision in which molecules have proper orientation. Okay, now is half life period. So what is half-life period? Half-life period of a reaction is the time taken for the concentration of reactant to be reduced to half of their initial concentration and denoted by T half. Half means this is this half, this, and this is T. It is denoted by T half. Now the time to do some numerical questions. So our first numerical is, for the reaction R gives P, the concentration of reactant changes from 0.03 to 0.02 m in 25 minutes. Calculate the average rate of reaction using units of time both in minute and in second. So we already know about average rate. We learned this definition in our previous time. So average rate is the rate of reaction measured over a long time interval. How can I solve this numerical? Look here. Rate is equal to del R by del T is equal to initial position minus terminal position. 0.02 minus 0.03 upon 25 is the time taken and the unit is mole liter inverse. So after solve this, we have 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse minute inverse. So time taken in second, if we do in second, time in second, this is in minute, and now we have to do this in second. So rate is equal to 0.02 minus 0.03 as it is, and 25 into 60 for second, and mole liter inverse. So our required answer is 6.67 10 to the power minus 6 mole liter inverse second inverse. This is our required answer. So this is the solution of first numerical. Now we have to do next. Second question is, in a reaction 2A gives product. The concentration of A decreases from 0.5 mole liter inverse is not visible to you. Okay. To 0.4 mole liter inverse in 10 minutes. Calculate the rate during this interval. So I will repeat this question again because this is some problem in my camera. In a reaction to a gas product, the concentration of A decreases from 0.02 mole liter inverse to 0.4 mole liter inverse in 10 minutes. Calculate the rate during this interval. So how can we solve this? Rate is equal to minus 1 by 2 del A by del T, where minus 1 by is equal to same and terminal minus initial upon time taken is 10 mole liter inverse. So our required answer is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole liter inverse minute inverse. Now next question is based on the order of a reaction. So the definition of order of a reaction is the power or exponent power sum of exponent power, means this A has 1 by 2 plus B has minus 3 by 2. So what is the rate of this equation? So add this both the powers. So let's see the question. For a reaction A plus P gives product, the rate law is given by R is equal to K A half B 2. What is the order of this reaction? That's like order of reaction is, what is the power of this? 1 by 2 plus 2. So LCM is 2. 2 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 by 2. We can write this in also mixed fraction, so we can write this in this form too. That's why the answer will be 5 by 2. Now we will learn some more definitions. So our term is, what are complex reactions? So anybody know about it? The reaction which is complete in a sequence of elementary reaction. This is the proper definition of complex reaction. One more is, what is photochemical reaction? I think we already know it. Photochemical reaction is that reaction which is initiated by absorption of radiation. Is proper definition of photochemical reaction. We have one more reasoning question, that mention the factors that affect the rate of chemical reaction. Means how many factors that affect the rate of chemical reaction. So we have 6 factors. So first is concentration, next is temperature, third is catalyst, nature of reactant, light, and surface area of solid. They are the 6 factors that affect the rate of chemical reaction. Guys, this is our today's lecture in which we have done our complete chapter chemical kinetics. I hope you all are understand very well. I will make next video as soon as possible. So buddies, till then please stay tuned and like my video. Thanks for watching.